A new study has found that sunlight may rapidly render the coronavirus inactive. Using simulated sunlight conditions and exposure systems to conduct the analysis, researchers concluded that inactivation rate is dependent on the surface as well as the intensity of the sunlight. In a recent study published in the Journal of Infectious Diseases, midday sunlight can inactivate 90% of the virus on the surface within 6.8 minutes. Ever since the virus spread to almost every part of the world, scientists have been trying to better understand the virus and how it responds under different circumstances. Earlier studies indicated that the virus could stay on several surfaces like plastic, steel, outside surfaces of surgical masks as well for 3 to 7 days, while it could last for even up to a day on cardboard surfaces. Even on paper, the virus was detected after 4 hours. The new findings about the impact of sunlight on the virus triggered a discussion once again over whether natural sunlight can act as a natural disinfectant for contaminated non-porous surfaces. If that is conclusively proven, it could provide more than a ray of hope in the battle against COVID-19. Students are all back, all set to be returning to their classrooms as different countries have now decided to open up schools, but not all children will be making their way back to familiar playgrounds as the door-to-door teaching has become the new normal in Indonesia. Schools have been shut down for nearly 3 months. Looming over the entire enterprise is a cloud of fear and urgency. It is critical that remote learning succeeds. The pandemic has sparked a boom in online learning, but for many Indonesian students, internet is not an option to salvage the lost time. Nearly 1/3 of Indonesia's population does not have access to the internet, in some cases not even electricity. Meet the Indonesian teacher who is braving the pandemic and engaging in door-to-door teaching extensively. In the remote Kinalan village, teacher Henricus has vowed that his students would not be cheated out of their opportunity for basic education.
Dengan kebijakan pemerintah dengan adanya pembelajaran online, ini memang kami merasakan kesulitan dengan medan yang lembah dan berbukit-bukit dan sulit untuk menangkap sinyal. Maka langkah yang dilaksanakan oleh guru-guru di sini atau sebagai solusinya kami harus mendatangi kepada anak-anak untuk memberikan pembelajaran.
Indonesia's virus curve is yet to flatten. It is too early for the schools to be reopened. Therefore, door-to-door teaching has served as an important way for the students to continue learning.